I'm Tet, and I'm trying to get an internship with Supercar Blondie, but to do that, I have to launch control this McLaren 720S. I've never driven a supercar, nor have I ever launched one, so I'm a bit nervous. Wish me luck, guys. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Look at how cute this is. SB Supercar Blondie. Love that detail. All right, let's get in. I'm little and I can barely get into this thing. Okay. So before I launch this thing, I have to take the parking brake off. Look right here. All right, I have to put in drive. Guys, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I have to click activate here, activate the system, put in sport. The rear wings extended. All right, I have to keep my left foot on the brake. Okay, I'm so nervous. Click the launch button here. And now I have to keep my right foot all the way down on the throttle. We're gonna go. I'm so nervous. Here we go. Holy shit. How did I do that? My sunglasses flew off. Wow, the power this thing has. Look at my hands. Woo, let's do it again. Wow. Alex, I'm keeping this thing. You're not getting it back.